Are your Smartsheet rows a tangled mess? Do you want to collapse them in under 30 seconds? Learn how to declutter your sheet instantly. Here's a simple 7-step method to collapse and expand rows. Follow along as I walk you through each action. Go to the Smartsheet homepage. Then, open the sheet where you want to collapse rows. Locate a parent row with child rows underneath. Go ahead and highlight the child rows, or the specific rows you intend to collapse. Once highlighted, click the indent icon on the top toolbar. Then, to collapse the child rows, click the minus icon next to the parent row. And to expand them back, click the plus icon next to the parent row. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.